All 12th graders are from CBSE board are welcome to my channel Learn with Dr. Chetna. In today's video, I have taken up the chapter on the face of it from your book Vistas, and it's been written by Suzanne Hill. Now, before I start the chapter, I would like to tell you about what the chapter is all about. There are some themes that are running through the poem. The first of these themes is that a person must have positive outlook about life. If a person is positive, then he or she would always remain happy and would not have sadness overpower them. But if a person is negative or possesses a negative attitude about life, he can never be happy. He will always be self-absorbed in that negativity and will bring sadness and negativity in his life. One more theme that runs through the poem is that of the attitude of the people about those who are born with physical disabilities or who acquire those physical disability because of certain unfortunate incidents in their lives. The author wants to say that we must treat all the people, all these people with respect and equality. We should not take pity at them, or we should not show sympathy and compassion towards them because they are a bit different from others. We should have a kind of attitude of equality and respect towards them. Then only we can bring them to, we can inspire, or we can motivate them to lead their lives. Otherwise, what would happen? They would think themselves as different and would be unhappy about their physical disabilities. Now let's begin the chapter on the face of it. There are two people in this drama. One is Mr. Lamb, who is an old man, and another is Derry, who is a boy of 14 years. While Mr. Lamb is positive in his outlook about life, Derek, the small boy or the young boy of 14 years, is self-critical and has a low self-esteem about himself. And why it is so, we will read it in the story, and we would also see that how after coming in contact with Mr. Lamb, or only one conversation with Mr. Lamb, transformed this little boy completely, infuses a kind of positivity in him. So let's begin the story on the face of it. So the scene is set in a garden, the garden that belongs to Mr. Lamb. Mr. Lamb का ये garden है. वहाँ पे डेरेक जो है चुपचाप से stealthily enter करता है. He thinks that nobody lives there, therefore he enters the garden, and he is startled. He is shocked by when Mr. Lamb calls to him. जब Mr. Lamb उसको बोलते हैं, mind the apples, please. Apples का ध्यान रखो. What? Who is that? Who is there? कौन है यहाँ? Mr. Lamb is my name, mind the apples. Be careful about the apples and walk in a careful manner, otherwise you may trip. So he is not disturbed by arrival of Derek in his garden. Rather, he shows a kind of welcome attitude towards him, और बोलते हैं कि आप ध्यान से चलना, otherwise you may fall. आप गिर सकते हो, crab apple में आपका पैर पड़कर आप गिर सकते हो. Derry, I thought this was an empty place. I did not know there was anybody here. Now Derek is kind of explaining to Mr. Lamb that मुझे ये place lonely लगा था. I thought nobody lives there. Therefore I came to this place. Mr. Lamb, that's all right. तो बोले ठीक है, ये तो सब ठीक है. I'm here. What are you afraid? क्यों आपको डर लग रहा है? That's all right. I thought it was an empty house. Now Derry is again explaining that I entered this place thinking it to be an empty place. Mr. Lamb, so it is, yes it is, since I am out here in the garden, क्योंकि मैं garden में हूँ, मैं अपने घर में नहीं हूँ, इसलिए empty place है. और in the meantime I am out here and likely to stop a day like this. Then he is trying to make Derek comfortable because Derek is bit embarrassed at the fact that he had entered the place thinking nobody lives there, but he finds मिस्टर लैम देयर. तो वो एम्बेरस्ड फील कर रहा है और मिस्टर लैम उसे अब कंफर्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. वो कह रहे हैं कि अ डे लाइक दिस इट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल डे, नॉट अ डे टू बी इंडोर्स. अंदर रहने का तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. आई गॉट टू गो, मुझे जाना है. डायरेक्ट वो एम्बेरसमेंट है, एंग्जाइटी है कि गलती से वो मतलब आ गया वो वहां पे चुपचाप से स्टेल्थीली. Not on my account. I don't mind who comes into the garden. The gate is always open. So he says, I'm not disturbed by the fact who has come. The gate is always open. I welcome whosoever comes into the garden. Only you climb the garden wall. आप जो है garden wall को climb करके आए. That is the difference. अब डेरी को गुस्सा आ जाता है कि भाई वो मुझे देख रहे थे. You were watching me. उसको लग रहा है कि वो पकड़ा गया. तुम मुझे देख रहे थे. I saw you, but the gate is open. Gate is always open. All welcome. Everybody is welcome to my place. You are welcome. I sit here. I like sitting. I have not come to steal anything. फिर डेरी बोल रहा है मैं कुछ चुराने तो नहीं आया था. मिस्टर लैम, नो, द यंग लैड्स स्टील. यंग बच्चे जो आते हैं चोरी करते हैं, एप्पल्स की चोरी करते हैं. एंड यू आर नॉट सो यंग. डेरी, आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू कम इन टू द गार्डन. मिस्टर लैम, ठीक है वो आपने किया, आप आ गए हो. हियर वी आर देन. डेरी, यू डोंट नो हु आई एम. लैम बोल रहे हैं 13, यू आर अ बॉय ऑफ 13 years. Then he is correcting him. वो correct कर रहे हैं उनको. No, I am 14 years old. But I have got to go now. Again he is saying मुझे तो जाना है क्योंकि वो embarrassed feel कर रहा है कि वो पकड़ा गया, वो आ गया. Mr. Lamb उसको क्या समझ रहे होंगे. Nothing, Mr. Lamb कह रहे हैं nothing to be afraid of, just a garden, just me. garden है, मैं हूँ, किस बात का डर है. But I'm not afraid. वो फिर से चिढ़ गया, वो irritate हो गया कि ये मुझे बोल रहे हैं कि तुम डर गए हो. But I'm not afraid. People are afraid of me. And this is important. और वो बोल रहे हैं कि लोग मुझसे डरते हैं. Why should that be? ऐसा क्यों? Everyone is. It doesn't matter who they are or what they say or how they look. How they pretend. I know, I can see. तो बोल रहे हैं कोई भी person हो, चाहे वो कोई भी हो, कुछ भी कहे, कैसे भी वो लगते हो, whatever kind of physical appearance they have, but they are afraid of me. I can see it clearly. See what? डेरी बोल रहे हैं what they think. मुझे समझ में आता है कि वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. What do they think? Then you think here is a boy, you look at me and then you see my face and you think that's bad, that's a terrible thing, that's the ugliest thing I ever saw. You think poor boy, but I'm not. तब वो क्योंकि वो सेल्फ क्रिटिकल है, वो अपने बारे में उसकी बड़ी लो सेल्फ एस्टीम है, उस अपने बारे में बहुत ही नेगेटिवली सोचता है. इसलिए वो बोल रहा है कि तुम भी वही सोच रहे हो, मुझे पता है ये गलत है, ये बहुत गलत बात है. मैं हमेशा इस चीज़ को नोटिस करता हूँ लोगों में कि जब लोग मुझे देखते हैं तो वो क्या सोचते हैं. पुअर बॉय बट आई एम नॉट. लोग मुझे बोलते हैं दैट ही इज़ अ पुअर बॉय, बट मैं हूँ नहीं पुअर. आई एम नॉट दैट. मतलब मैं उतना हेल्पलेस बंदा हूँ नहीं जितना लोग मुझे सोचते हैं. अंडरनीथ यू आर अफ्रेड. एंड देन फिर से बोल रहे हैं लेकिन अंदर ही अंदर तुम मुझसे डर रहे हो. भले ही तुम बोल रहे हो कि मैं नहीं डरता, बट यू आर अफ्रेड ऑफ मी. Anybody would be. I am. When I look in the mirror and see it, I am afraid of me. और जब भी मैं शीशे में अपने आप को देखता हूँ, मिरर में अपने आप को देखता हूँ, मैं डर जाता हूँ. जब मैं खुद अपने से डरता हूँ तो लोग तो मुझसे डरेंगे. No, not the whole of you, not of you. अब जो मिस्टर लैम्ब है, he is a little different person. He is not paying attention to this thing. Derek is telling him कि वो उस लोग उससे डरते हैं. He is all talking. He is self-critical and negative about himself. So अपने बारे में नेगेटिव ही बोल रहा है. लेकिन जो मिस्टर लैम्ब है वो उस बारे में ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं दे रहे कि इसकी क्या नेगेटिव है, क्या इसके बारे में इसके क्या वीक पॉइंट्स है. तो वो उसको बोल रहे हैं नो, नॉट द होल ऑफ यू, नॉट ऑफ यू. पूरा आपको पूरा देख के कोई नहीं डरेगा. डेरी, यस. Later on, when it is a bit cooler, I will get the ladder and stick and pull down those crab apples. फिर बोल रहे हैं थोड़ी देर बाद जब मौसम थोड़ा अच्छा हो जाएगा मैं क्रैब एप्पल्स तोड़ूंगा, मैं उनसे जेली बनाऊंगा. इट्स गुड टाइम ऑफ द ईयर, सितंबर. लुक एट देम, ऑरेंज एंड गोल्डन कलर की जो ये एप्पल्स हैं, that's a magic fruit or magic fruit hai, but it's best picked and made into jelly. You could give me a hand, and if you want, you can help me. What have you changed the subject for? तुमने ये सब्जेक्ट क्यों चेंज कर दिया? आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट माई प्रॉब्लम. आई वॉज टॉकिंग अबाउट माई सेल्फ. नाउ यू हैव चेंज द टॉपिक. पीपल ऑलवेज डू दैट. हमेशा सब लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं. तुम भी वही कर रहे हो. वाई डोंट यू आस्क मी? तुम मुझसे क्यों नहीं पूछ रहे हो? वाई डू यू डू दैट? what they all do and pretend it is not true and isn't there? तुम भी वही तो कर रहे हो जैसे बाकी लोग प्रेटेंड कर रहे हैं मेरे बारे में. अब यहाँ पे एक बात क्लियर कर दूं, जो डेरी है उसका फेस जो है एक साइड का एसिड की वजह से इट गॉट बर्न्ड. इट गॉट because of acid spillage, one side of his face got burnt, and that's why he is very much negative about himself. He has developed a kind of self-esteem because whenever people look at him, they take pity on him, and this is what is burning this little boy Derek from inside. He is emotionally and psychologically broke. वो बिल्कुल अंदर से टूटा हुआ है because every time people look at him, he can sense that what they are thinking or what is their outlook about him. इसलिए वो सेल्फ क्रिटिकल हो गया है. अपना उसमें एक लो सेल्फ एस्टीम डेवलप हो गई है. फिर वो बोल रहा है कि हाँ, लोग हमेशा प्रेटेंड करते हैं कि ये चीज़ तुम्हारे में नहीं है, बट आई कैन सेंस इट वेरी वेल. इन केस आई सी यू लुकिंग एंड माइंड एंड गेट अपसेट. इन केस आई सी यू लुकिंग एंड माइंड एंड, और वो मैं तुम्हें भी देख रहा हूँ कि तुम भी ऐसा ही कर सकते हो. आई विल टेल यू, डोंट आस्क मी बिकॉज यू आर अफ्रेड टू. और तुम मुझसे इस बारे में पूछोगे भी नहीं क्योंकि तुम भी मेरे चेहरे को देख के डर रहे हो लाइक एवरी वन एल्स डज. मिस्टर लैम, यू वॉन्ट मी टू आस्क? से सो देन. हाँ, अगर तुम चाहते, मिस्टर लैम बोलो ठीक है, तुम चाहते हो मैं तुमसे पूछूं तो बताओ. अब डेरी ने एक बात बोली एंड दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. आई डोंट लाइक बीइंग विद पीपल. ही सेज कि मुझे लोगों की कंपनी अच्छी नहीं लगती, मैं लोगों के साथ रहना पसंद नहीं करता. एनी पीपल, एनी पर्सन, हु सो एवर इट इज, आई डोंट लाइक बीइंग अमंग पीपल. मिस्टर लैम, आई शुड से to look at it, I should say you got burnt in a fire. बोल रहे तुम्हारे को देख के ऐसा लग रहा है कि फायर की वजह से तुम जल गए. No, Derry, not in a fire. I got acid all down that side of my face and it burned it all away. अब वो बता रहा है कि मेरे फेस में एसिड गिर गया था and because that acid spill, my face got burnt. It ate my face up. It destroyed my face. And then he's saying, it ate me up. It has destroyed me too. It has destroyed me emotionally. It has destroyed me psychologically because I have become very negative about everything. It has snatched away happiness and joy from my life. And now it's like this and it won't ever be any different. और अब इसमें कोई change आने वाला नहीं है. I'm going to remain just as I am forever. Mr. Lamb, no, aren't you interested? तुम interested नहीं हो मेरे बारे में और जानने के लिए. You are a boy who came into the garden. Plenty do. बहुत सारे बच्चे आते हैं. I am interested in anybody. मैं सब में interested रहता हूँ. Anything. There is nothing God made that does not interest me, and this is important because it is telling us about what kind of person Mr. Lamb is. He is saying that I like everybody that has been created by God. I do not differentiate between people because for me every creature on this earth, every human being on this earth has been created by God. That shows that he is a generous person, he is a large-hearted person, he is a man of great character who does not differentiate between people. Look over there, over beside the far wall. What can you see? अब वो उसका ध्यान फिर से डाइवर्ट करना चाह रहे हैं उस बात से और पूछ रहे हैं देखो उस वॉल के पार तुम्हें क्या दिखाई पड़ता है. डेरी बोला रबिश. मिस्टर लैम, रबिश? तुम्हें रबिश दिखाई पड़ रहा है? लुक बॉय लुक, व्हाट डू यू सी? अब डेरी ने बताया जस्ट ग्रास एंड स्टफ, वीड्स. कुछ ग्रास है और वीड है. और नाउ मिस्टर लैम सेज some call them weeds and it is important. If you like, then a weed garden that. There is fruit and there are flowers and trees and herbs, all sorts. But over there, weeds. I grew weeds there. Why is one green growing plant called a weed and another flower? Where is the difference? It's all life, growing same as you and me. Now he is doing a comparison between different kinds of plants. वो बोल रहे हैं कि किसी को weed बोलते हैं, किसी को flower बोलते हैं, और किसी को weed कह के लोग remove कर देते हैं अपने garden से और flowers वगैरह को लगाते हैं. But for me all these plants are same because there is life in all of them. I do not differentiate between weed and plant. तो that is important, क्योंकि इस चैप्टर में ऑथर ये बता रही हैं कि किस तरह से लोग जो हैं फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटीज वाले लोगों को एक अलग नजर से देखते हैं. बट हियर मिस्टर लैम इज अ डिफरेंट पर्सन who grows weeds because for him there is life in it, and everything that has a life in it is liked or loved by Mr. Lamb. That means he is a man of philosophical nature. He thinks greatly. He has positive attitude about everything. His optimistic attitude about life make him respect everything, all creatures, all animals, all plants equally. तो ये हमें मिस्टर लैम्ब के बारे में पता चल रहा है इससे. Where is the difference? It's all life growing same as you and me. जैसे weeds और flowers जो है अलग अलग हैं, but there is life in it. Similarly, तुम और मैं भी वैसे ही हैं. There is life in you and in me. डेरी फिर अगेन उसी बात पे चलते जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि he is so much obsessed with his physical disability that he just wants to talk about it. He just want to think beyond it. उसके ऊपर या उसके अलग वो कुछ और सोचता ही नहीं. वो बस हर समय अपनी फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी के बारे में ही सोचता है. इसलिए बोल रहा है वी आर नॉट सेम. मिस्टर लैम्ब फिर से उस बात को डाइवर्ट कर रहे हैं, उस बात को. आई एम ओल्ड, यू आर यंग. you've got a burned face, I've got a tin leg. तुम्हारा फेस बर्न है, मेरा भी टिन का लेग है. Not important, but that is not important. You are standing there, I'm sitting here. What is the difference? कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है तुम में और मुझ में. Why have you got a tin leg? अब डेरी को थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट आया. उसने कहा तुम्हारा टिन लेग क्यों है? क्योंकि उसको somewhere or other he must have felt that this person is just like me. He has also a physical disability. Why have you got a tin leg? Real one got blown off years back. तो उसने कहा एक बहुत पहले मेरा कट गया था पैर. लेमी लैम some kids say. तो कोई जो बच्चे हैं मुझे लेमी बोलते हैं. लेमी मतलब a person who cannot walk properly, लंगड़ा जिसे बोलते हैं. लेमी लैम मुझे बोलते हैं लोग. Some kids say, haven't you heard them? तुमने कभी नहीं सुना उनको ऐसा बोलते हुए? You will definitely hear this. लेमी लैम, it fits. Doesn't trouble me. अब मैंने इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट कर लिया, and I do not get troubled by this very fact that people call me Lemmy Lamb or children call me Lemmy Lamb. But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare. तो फिर डेरी बोल रहा है बट आपके पास एक अच्छी चीज ये है दैट आप उसको अपनी पैंट से ट्राउजर से कवर कर सकते हो, बट आई कैन नॉट कवर माई फेस. दे डोंट हैव टू नोटिस एंड स्टेयर. उनको आपको देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. मिस्टर लैम्ब, सम डू, कुछ अभी भी स्टेयर करते हैं. सम डोंट, कुछ नहीं करते हैं. दे गेट टायर्ड ऑफ इट इन द एंड. और देखते देखते वो फेड अप हो जाते हैं देख देख के. देन दे स्टॉप लुकिंग एट माई टिन लेग. देयर इज प्लेंटी ऑफ अदर थिंग्स टू स्टेयर एट. और दुनिया में बहुत सारी चीजें भी देखने के लिए. मेरे लेग कोई थोड़ा ना देखेंगे, मेरे टिन लेग को. इट शोज अ पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. डेरी लाइक माई फेस, फिर वो फेस पे ही आ गया करो जैसा मेरा फेस है देखने के लिए. लाइक क्रैब एप्पल्स और द वीड्स और स्पाइडर क्लाइंबिंग अप अ सिल्कन लैडर और माई टॉल सनफ्लावर्स. तो बोल रहे हैं इतनी ब्यूटीफुल चीजें हैं. क्रैब एप्पल्स है, स्पाइडर है, वीड्स है, सिल्क की लेडर है और सनफ्लावर्स है. थिंग्स, डेरी बोल रहा है हाँ ये तो चीजें हैं, इंसान थोड़ा है, ऐसे वो कहना चाह रहे हैं. ठीक है. इट्स ऑल रिलेटिव, ब्यूटी एंड द बीस्ट. वो बोल रहे हैं ये तो सब रिलेटिव है. लाइफ में कुछ चीजें अगली होती हैं, कुछ चीजें ब्यूटीफुल होती हैं. इट इज अप टू अस हाउ वी लुक एट दोज थिंग्स. ये किसी को कोई चीज अच्छी लग सकती है, कोई चीज किसी के लिए ब्यूटीफुल हो सकती है, बट एट द सेम टाइम For another person, it can be ugly. It's all relative. It depends on the person's outlook about things. What's that supposed to mean? इसका मतलब क्या है? Mr. Lamb बोल रहे हैं, आप ही बताओ. You needn't think that they haven't all told me that fairy story before. अब ये मत कहना कि मुझे ये वाली स्टोरी नहीं पता है. मॉन्स्टर, वो ब्यूटी एंड बीस्ट, जिसमें ये होता है कि एक प्रिंसेस होती है, ब्यूटीफुल सी प्रिंसेस, शी फॉल्स इन लव विद beast, and when she kisses him, that monster turns into a handsome prince. It is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. अब वो बोल रहा है कि इस स्टोरी का जो जिस्ट है, इस स्टोरी का जो लेसन है, वो ये है कि पीपल we should not treat people we should not treat people on their face value. A person may look ugly outwardly, but inside he may be very beautiful. That means he may have many good qualities, though his outward appearance may not be as good. तो यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं, it is not what you look like, it is what you are inside. What matters actually is the qualities you possess, जो आपकी अच्छी qualities होती हैं. Handsome is as handsome does. इसका मतलब है कि ब्यूटी जो है, हमको we should not judge people by we should not judge people how they on the basis of how they look. We should rather judge them on the basis of the good qualities they possess. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. अब जो beauty है, जो beauty ने beast को love किया because of his good qualities. She did not have any idea that he can turn into a prince one day, but she loved him because of his good qualities. He changed into a handsome prince. Only he wouldn't he had have staged a monstrous beast. हाँ, अगर उसको किस नहीं किया होता तो monstrous beast ही रहता. I won't change. He changed, but there is no question that I would be changed. मेरे में कोई change आने वाला नहीं है. Again and again, these statements by Derek tell us that he is deeply hurt, deeply troubled by his physical disability, and he had made it an impediment of his life. उसने इसको एक अपने लाइफ की बाधा बना लिया, जिसकी वजह से वो खुश ही नहीं रहना चाहता है. बार बार अपनी इस फिजिकल डिसेबिलिटी के बारे में बात करके वो अपने लिए प्रॉब्लम्स ही क्रिएट कर रहा है. बार बार वो उसी he is diving deep into that well of disappointment, sadness, grief because of this physical disability. Mr. Lamb, in that way, no, you won't. हाँ, ऐसे तो तुम नहीं change हो पाओगे. And no one will kiss me ever. And he says that yes, girls will not kiss me. Only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Now we can be sympathetic to this boy, that he knows that because of his burnt face, no girl is going to come near him, no girl is going to kiss him, and he is really disturbed by this fact that even his mother does not kiss him on his burnt face. She kisses him on the side that is plain, and perhaps whenever his mother would be kissing him on the plain side of his face, he must be feeling very sad, grieved and disturbed, because it would remind him of his physical disability, his burnt face. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me. मैं केयर भी नहीं करता इस बात की. Then he's saying this. Oh, but do you care if you never kiss them? लेकिन अगर तुम भी अभी, if you do not get chance to kiss them, is that okay with you? What? Mr. Lamb, girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love. That means again he is talking to him about girls, because all teenagers want to talk about all these things and love doing all these things. Derry, who would let me? Not one. So he says, no girl would let me kiss her. No one. Who can tell? Mr. लैम्ब इज किंग, कौन ऐसा कह सकता है? हम क्या कह सकते हैं इस बारे में? हो सकता है ऐसा हो भी. I won't ever look different. Now he's saying कि वो कभी भी अलग नहीं लगेगा. When I'm as old as you, I will look the same. There will be no change in my appearance. I will look same forever. I will still only have a half face. और मेरे पास सिर्फ half face ही रहेगा. So you will, but the world won't. The world's got a whole face, and the world's there to be looked at. वो बोल रहे that is correct. Your face will not change. You will not change. But there is a lot of things beyond your face. तुम्हारे face से भी के अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें इस दुनिया में है. The whole world is to be explored. The whole world needs to be discovered. Why should you be obsessed with your face only? There are many other things you can do. He is telling Miss Derry. Do you think this is the whole world, this old garden? तो वो बोल रहे कि ये old garden को तुम whole world बोल रहे हो अपने लिए. अजीब हो मिस्टर लैम. When I am here, जब हूँ तब मेरे लिए world है. Not the only one, but this is not the only world, but the world as much as anywhere. There is a vast world waiting for all the people. He's saying, does your leg hurt you? Now, Derry question पूछ रहा है उससे, क्या आपका leg आपको problem करता है? Tin doesn't hurt boy. When it came off, did it? Certainly. तो जब ये टूटा तब क्या आपको पेन हुआ था? And now, I mean, where the tin stops at the top, क्या जहाँ पे tin शुरू होता है तो वहाँ पे क्या तुम्हें पेन होता है? Mr. Lamb, now and then in wet weather, yes, sometimes had troubles. It doesn't signify, but इससे कोई ज़्यादा फर्क मुझे पड़ता नहीं है. Derry, oh, that's something else they all say. तो उनका हाँ सब लोग यही तो बोलते हैं और यही बोलते हैं. Look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves. तो बोल रहा है कि लोग भी मुझसे यही कहते हैं कि there are so many people worse than you but they accept their disability. वो पेन में रहते हैं, brave होते हैं, कभी रोते नहीं हैं और ये सब चीज़ें उसको समझाई जाती हैं. दैट यू शुड ऑल्सो नीड नॉट फील सॉरी फॉर योर सेल्फ. मिस्टर लैम, आई हैव नॉट सेड इट. मैंने तो ऐसा नहीं बोला. डेरी, एंड थिंक ऑफ ऑल दोज पीपल वर्स ऑफ देन यू. फिर वही बात कह रहे कि लोग बोलते हैं कि तुमसे भी बुरे बहुत सारे लोग हैं who have lots of problems. Think you might have been blinded or born deaf or have to live in wheelchair or be daft in your head and dribble. Daft in your head and dribble means foolish or idiot. तो लोग उसको समझाते हैं कि कहीं तुम blind होते, कहीं तुम deaf होते और कहीं तुम्हें व्हील चेयर में पड़े होते तो उससे तो तुम बेटर ही हो. These kind of things are being said to Derek which make him think negative about himself, and all these statements by the people about him have made him pessimistic about life. Mr. Lamb, and that's all true and you know it. Yes, ये सब तो सही है, true है. It won't make my face change. लेकिन इससे मेरा face तो change नहीं होगा. Do you know, one day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop and she was with another woman and she looked at me and she said, whispered, only I heard her. She said, look at that. That is a terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love. So वो बता रहा है कि उनके साथ क्या incident हुई. There were two ladies. He met them in the bus and they were talking about his face कि इस face को तो सिर्फ एक mother ही प्यार कर सकती है. So he listens to all these kind of stuff and because of these negative statements about him by the people, he has become an emotional wreck. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा वो emotionally disturbed feel करता है because of all these statements by the people about him. So you believe everything you hear then. तो तुम believe करते हो जो भी वो लोग कहते हैं. मिस्टर लैम ने बोला, it was cruel, maybe not meant as such, just something said between them. तो मिस्टर लैम फिर से उसको पॉजिटिव करने की सोच रहे हैं कि हो सकता है उनका ऐसा मतलब ना हो, उन्होंने ऐसे ही बोला हो. Only I heard it. I heard. And is that the only thing you ever had anyone say in your life? मिस्टर लैम बोल रहे हैं, क्या तुमने बस यही सुना है? डेरी, ओ नो, आई हैव हर्ड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, मैंने और भी बहुत सारी चीजें सुनी हैं. सो नाउ यू कीप योर ईयर्स शट. नाउ मिस्टर लैम्ब इज गिविंग हिम प्लान टू सेव हिमसेल्फ फ्रॉम ऑल दीज स्टेटमेंट्स. वो बोल रहे हैं कि ठीक है, तुम अपने कान बंद रखो, मत सुनो इन सब चीजों को. डेरी, यू आर पिक्यूलियर, तुम अजीब हो. यू से पिक्यूलियर थिंग्स, यू आस्क क्वेश्चंस आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. तुम अजीब अजीब तरह के क्वेश्चन पूछते हो जो मेरी समझ में नहीं आते. आई लाइक टू टॉक, हैव कंपनी. मिस्टर लैम्ब बोल रहे हैं, आई लाइक टू टॉक, हैव कंपनी. यू डोंट हैव टू आंसर क्वेश्चंस, यू डोंट हैव टू स्टॉप हियर एट ऑल, द गेट इज ओपन. तो बोल रहे हैं कि आपको मेरे क्वेश्चंस आंसर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मुझे तो लोगों से बात करना अच्छा लगता है, लोगों की कंपनी अच्छी लगती है, तुमको यहाँ पे रुकने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. इफ़ यू विश, बट द गेट इज़ ओपन, गेट इज़ ओपन. इफ़ यू वांट टू गो यू कैन गो. येस, बट आई हैव अ हाइव ऑफ बीज बिहाइंड दोज ट्रीज ओवर देयर. तो वहाँ पे बी का हाइव है. सम हियर बीज एंड दे से बीज बस. दिस इज important. But when you listen to bees for a long while, they hum. And hum means sing. I hear them singing my bees, singing my bees. So he says that many people, when they listen to the bees, they say कि वो hum करती हैं, there is a noise, they make a humming noise. But for me, this humming is a kind of music. I like their humming. So it tells that he is a person with a positive outlook. He thinks positively about things and that's why he is happy. But I like it here. I came in because I liked it when I looked over the wall. वो फिर डेरी बोल रहा है, मैं तो यहाँ पे इसलिए आया कि मुझे ये अच्छी लगी, वॉल से ऊपर मैंने देखा, that's why I came here. Mr. Lamb, if you had seen me, you'd not have come in. तो अगर तुमने मुझे देखा होता तो तुम नहीं आते. डेरी बोल रहा है, नो मिस्टर लैम्ब, नो, इट हैड बिन ट्रेसपासिंग. तो बोल रहा है कि हाँ, ये आपकी परमिशन के बिना अंदर आना तो ट्रेसपासिंग होती ना. Oh, that's not why. I don't like being near people when they stare, when I see them being afraid of him. So बोल रहा है, मैं लोगों के बीच में मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता है, वो मुझे घूर के देखते हैं. They look at my face and when I see them being afraid of him, और उनको मेरे चेहरे से डर लगता है. You could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. अब वो उसको एक स्टोरी सुना रहे हैं, मिस्टर लैम्ब उसको एक स्टोरी सुनाते हैं. वो उससे पहले बोलते हैं, ठीक है, तुम अपने आप को एक रूम में बंद कर लो, उसके बाद कभी बाहर मत निकलो. एक तुम्हें स्टोरी में बताता हूँ. देयर वॉज अ मैन हु डिड दैट. ही वॉज अफ्रेड, यू सी, ऑफ एवरीथिंग. उसको हर चीज से डर लगता था. A bus might run him over or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him. कि वो कोई बस उसके ऊपर चल जाएगी, कोई इंसान उसको डेडली जर्म्स देके चले जाएगा, और अ डंकी माइट किक हिम टू डेथ, और डंकी उसको किक मारेगा और वो मर जाएगा. और लाइटनिंग माइट स्ट्राइक हिम डाउन, और लाइटनिंग की वजह से वो मर जाएगा. और ही माइट लव अ गर्ल एंड द गर्ल वुड लीव हिम and he might slip on a banana skin and fall and people who saw him would laugh their heads off. So he is telling this man was afraid of so many things and so he went into this room and locked the door. और उसने अपने आप को एक रूम में बंद कर लिया because he was afraid of so many things. There were so many apprehensions about his mind, about people. Therefore he locked himself into a room and got into his bed and stayed there forever. डेरी हमेशा के लिए, for a while, कुछ टाइम के लिए. Then what? फिर क्या हुआ? A picture fell off the wall on his head and killed him. तो उनका एक घर के अंदर ही एक पिक्चर थी, वो उसके सिर पे गिर गई and he got killed. Derry laughs a lot. For the first time, Derry starts laughing. You see, but you still say peculiar things. तुम कुछ अजीब सी बातें करते हो, डेरेक ने बोला. Peculiar to some, कुछ लोगों के लिए peculiar हो सकती हैं. What do you do all day? फिर अब डेरी has started opening to him. अब पूछ रहा है कि आप क्या करते हो. Sit in the sun, read books. You thought it was an empty house, but inside it's full. बुक्स एंड अदर थिंग्स फुल. तो बोल रहा है एम्प्टी हाउस नहीं है, यहाँ पे बुक्स हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. तो यहाँ पे भी फिर ऑथर इसी बात की ओर इशारा कर रही हैं कि appearances are deceptive. जो हमें बाहर से दिखता है चीज़ें वैसी नहीं होती. So we should not judge people or things on the basis of how do they look, because there is something deeper behind that and we must look at those things. But there aren't any curtains at the windows. लेकिन windows में कोई curtain तो नहीं है. डेरी ने पूछा. I'm not fond of curtains, shutting things out, shutting things in. I like the light and the darkness and the windows open to hear the wind. So he's saying, I'm not a kind of person who shuts the world to him. I like curtains open so that when there is light, I can see and enjoy light. When there is darkness, I can see darkness and I can enjoy it. And I keep the window open so that I can enjoy the sound of wind too. That means he is a person with positive outlook. Derry, yes, I like that. When it is raining, I like to hear it on the roof. Now, Derry had started opening up. Earlier, he was just talking about his physical disability. Now, he is talking about other things too. और वो बोल रहा है, हाँ, जब बारिश होती है तो मुझे अच्छा लगता. I like to hear it on the roof. So you are not lost, are you? तो तुम पूरी तरह से तो lost नहीं हो. Not altogether. You do hear things. You listen. फिर डेरी फिर से शुरू हो गया. They talk about me downstairs when I'm not there. What will he ever do? वो क्या करेगा? What's going to happen to him when we have gone? जब हम चले जाएंगे इस दुनिया से तब वो क्या करेगा? However will he get on in this world looking like that? With that on this face, that's what they say. So again he's talking about his face, that people talk so many things about him कि वो क्या करेगा, कैसे रहेगा इस दुनिया में, कैसे रहेगा और इसके face के साथ इसका क्या होगा. Mr. Lamb, Lord boy, you've got 2 arms. See how he is infusing positivity in the boy who has low self-esteem, who has a negative attitude outlook about life and people. Now Mr. Lamb is saying this to him. Boy, you've got 2 arms. तुम्हारे पास 2 arms हैं, 2 legs हैं, eyes हैं and ears हैं. You've got a tongue and a brain. Brain भी है तुम्हारे पास, tongue भी है. You'll get on the way you want. जैसा तुम चाहोगे वैसे करोगे. Like all the rest, जैसे सारे लोग करते हैं. So he is not judging him on the basis of his physical disability. He is saying that his physical disability will not block his way in this world. He can do what he wants because he is fit and fine. Except this burnt face, everything about him is good. And if you choose and set your mind to it, you could get on better than all the rest. और आप औरों से भी अच्छा कर सकते हो. How? Same way as I do, जैसे मैं करता हूँ. Do you have any friends? Mr. Lamb से डायरेक्ट ने पूछा. Hundreds. But you live by yourself in that house. It's a big house too. तुम तो अकेले ही रहते हो इस घर में. Mr. Lamb is saying, friends everywhere. मेरे पास तो हर जगह friends हैं. People come in, everybody knows me. The gate is always open. They come and sit here and in front of the fire in winter. Winter में भी लोग आते हैं, fire पे बैठते हैं, fire के पास बैठते हैं. बच्चे आते हैं, apples के लिए आते हैं. And for the toffee, I make toffee with honey. Anybody comes. So have you. ऐसे तुम भी आए हो. Everybody can come. But I'm not a friend. डेरी ने बोला, लेकिन मैं आपका friend तो नहीं हूँ. Mr. Lamb, certainly you are. As far as I'm concerned. What have you done to make me think you are not? ऐसा तुमने क्या कर दिया जिससे मुझे लगे कि तुम मेरे फ्रेंड नहीं हो. You are my friend. You don't know me, Derry saying. You don't know where I come from or even what my name is. तुम तो मेरे बारे में कुछ भी नहीं जानते हो. Why should that signify? उसकी क्या मतलब है? कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है वो सब जानना. Do I have to write all your particulars down and put them in a filling box before you can be a friend? बोल रहे फ्रेंड होने से पहले क्या मुझे तुम्हारे particulars जानने की ज़रूरत है? I suppose not. No. So this was the answer of Derry and it shows a kind of positivity in his statement. You could tell me your name if you choose and not if you don't. तुम्हारी मर्जी है, नाम बता सकते हो तो बताओ, नहीं तो नहीं. Derry, only it's Derek. But I hate that. Derry, if I'm your friend, you don't have to be mine. I choose that. तो वो बोल रहे मेरा नाम डेरी है और इफ आई एम योर फ्रेंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी माइंड. मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त हूँ पर जरूरी नहीं कि तुम मेरे दोस्त बन जाओ. आई चूज दैट. सर्टनली I might never come here again, you might never see me again, and then I couldn't still be a friend. बोल रहे हो सकता है मैं इसके बाद कभी नहीं आऊँ, तुम मुझे कभी नहीं देखो, फिर कैसे हम फ्रेंड हो सकते हैं. Mr. Lamb, why not? How could I? You pass people in the street and you might even speak to them, but you never see them again. It doesn't mean they are friends. तो बोल रहे बहुत से लोगों को हम मार्केट में मिलते हैं, doesn't mean that we all become friends. Doesn't mean they are enemies. इसका मतलब ये भी नहीं है कि वो enemies हैं. Either does it. Derry, no, they are just nothing people, that's all. People are never just nothing, never. लोग सिर्फ nothing नहीं होते हैं, never. There are some people I hate. अब फिर से वो कहने लग गया कि मैं लोगों को hate करता हूँ. That would do you more harm than any bottle of acid. Acid only burns your face. Now Mr. Lamb is telling him a reality. He's giving him a reality check. He's saying that acid has burnt your face, but if you hate people like this, it will burn your soul. It will burn you internally. You will get destroyed. You will feel, you will become emotionally disturbed. So you don't have to hate people. Derry, only like a bomb only blew up my leg. There's worse things can happen. You can burn yourself away inside. उसने फिर डेरी ने बोला जैसे बॉम्ब ने मेरा जो है लेग उड़ा दिया, लेकिन उससे बहुत सारी वर्स चीजें भी हो सकती थी. और अगर मैं सिर्फ इसी के बारे में सोचता रहता, दैट इज व्हाट ही इज टेलिंग हिम, इफ आई वुड हैव बीन थिंकिंग जस्ट अबाउट माई ब्रोकन लेग, आई वुड हैव बिकम अ ब्रोकन पर्सन बाय नाउ. सो इट वुड हैव बर्न्ड मी इनसाइड. So he is telling that you should have positive attitude, you should not hate people. After I'd come home, one person said he would have been better off stopping in the hospital. He would be better off with others like himself. She thinks blind people only ought to be with other blind people and idiot boys with idiot boys. So these kind of statements he keeps on hearing, and that is why there is so much of negativity in him. तो लोग क्या कहते हैं, इसको तो अपने जैसे लोगों के बीच में ही होना चाहिए, ब्लाइंड को ब्लाइंड के साथ होना चाहिए, स्टूपिड को स्टूपिड के साथ ही होना चाहिए. एंड पीपल विद नो लेग्स ऑल टुगेदर. और फिर मिस्टर लैम बोल रहे और जिसके लेग्स नहीं है उसको बिना लेग्स वाले के साथ होना चाहिए. डेरी, दैट्स राइट. वट काइंड ऑफ वर्ल्ड वुड दैट बी. तो किस तरह का ये दुनिया है, किस तरह की बात लोग करते हैं. दिस इज नॉट गुड. Derry, at least there would be nobody to stare at you because you weren't like them. तो बोल रहे at least लोग आपको stare तो नहीं करेंगे. You will not be a center of attraction always for the people if you are among the people who are like you. Mr. Lamb, so you think you are just the same as all the other people with burnt faces just by what you look like? Oh, everything is different. Everything is the same, but everything is different itself. So Mr. Lamb is again telling him a life lesson. वो बोल रहे हैं तो तुम क्या जितने लोगों के faces burned हैं उनके जैसे हो क्या तुम? You are not. You are different because your way of thinking is different. Just by what you look like. सिर्फ एक जैसे लगने से people do not become same. They are different because the qualities that are inside them are totally different. Everything is different. Everything is the same. सब कुछ different है और सब कुछ same है. We all are human beings. We all have different qualities in us, and this is how we are different, and this is how we are same. But everything is different itself. How do you make all that out? ये तुम कैसे सोच लेते हो? डेरी बोल रहा है. Watching, listening, thinking. तो बोल रहे हैं कि मैं चीज़ों को देखता हूँ, सुनता हूँ और सोचता हूँ, और इसकी वजह से मैं इस तरह से सोचता हूँ. I would like a place like this, a garden. I'd like a house with no curtains. Now this, for the first time, we can say Derry speaking the language of Mr. Lamb. Earlier, he had been talking about his physical disability, about his emotional breakdown because of his physical disability, his negativity, his anger about people, and his disdain about people. But I would like a place like this. मुझे ये place अच्छा लग रहा है. A garden. I would like a house without curtains. The gate is always open. फिर लैम बोल रहे हैं गेट तो हमेशा खुला है. But this is not mine. ये मेरा नहीं है. Mr. Lamb, everything is yours if you want it. What's mine is anybody's. This tells about the great personality Mr. Lamb is. वो बोल रहा है सब कुछ तो सभी का है. If you want it, जो मेरा है वो आपका भी है. This shows that he is a generous or large-hearted person. He doesn't think that these crab apples belong to me only. He wants to share with others. That shows that he is a large-hearted person. Mr. Lamb, certainly you might find everything. So I could come here again if you were out. I could come here. तो अगर तुम कभी बाहर भी होगे तो मैं यहाँ आ सकता हूँ ना. Mr. Lamb, certainly you might find others here, of course. तुम यहाँ औरों को भी तुम्हें और लोग भी मिल सकते हैं. Oh, well, that needn't stop you. You needn't mind. मतलब आपको और लोग मिलेंगे, but it doesn't mean that you should stop. You can come in always. I'd stop them. It would stop them. They would mind me. वो कह रहा ठीक है. You are telling me that you don't have to mind people if you see some people in my house in my absence, but they would mind my presence. उनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Again he is talking in the same manner as he had been talking earlier. वो कह रहा है कि मेरे होने से उनको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. When they saw me here, they look at my face and run. तो वो मेरे face को देखेंगे and they would run away. They might not. ऐसा कर भी सकते हैं, भाग भी सकते हैं, नहीं भी भाग सकते हैं. You would have to take this risk. So would they. तुमको ये रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा और उनको भी वो भी इस रिस्क को लेंगे. That means as long as you keep running away from the people will also run away from you. So it is for your good that you should try to mix with people. ये उन्होंने मिस्टर लैम ने डेरी को समझाया कि तुम्हें रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स यू विल हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ दिस शेल ऑफ hating people. You do not like being with the people, but you will have to break this and you will have to come out of the prison you have made around yourself. No, you would. You might have me and lose all your other friends because nobody wants to stay near me if they can help it. तो बोल रहे हैं नहीं मेरी वजह से आपके और फ्रेंड्स भी चले जाएंगे और मेरे साथ तो कोई रहना ही नहीं चाहता है. I'm not moved. तो उनका मुझे आपकी बात से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. No. When I go down the street, the kids shout, "Lay me lamb," but they still come into the garden, into my house. It's a game. They are not afraid of me. Why should they be? Because I'm not afraid of them. That is why not. So now he is telling कि मुझे भी तो लोग लेमी लैम करके टीज करते हैं. सारे बच्चे मुझे लेमी मतलब लंगड़ा लैम बोलते हैं, बट मुझे इससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ फेसिंग पीपल. स्टिल आई go outside. Still I welcome people inside my house. I welcome people in my garden, welcome the kids in my garden. I'm not affected by what I say, what they say about me. I'm not afraid of them. Why should they be? Because I'm not afraid of them. क्योंकि मैं उनसे नहीं डरता. That's why they are also a kind of familiarity with him. Familiarity है उसकी लोगों के साथ, इसीलिए उसे अब फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Similarly, if Derek or Derry comes out of his shell, goes and meet people, he will definitely break this net he has woven around himself of not mixing with people. Did you get your leg blown off in the war? क्या तुम्हारा पैर जो है वॉर में उड़ गया था? Certainly. How will you climb on a ladder and get the crab apples down there? Now he's showing some concern to Mr. Lamb. He's saying, लेकिन लैडर पे चढ़ोगे, क्रैब एप्पल को कैसे निकालोगे तुम? Oh, there is a lot of things I have learned to do and plenty of time for it. Years I take it steady. बोल रहे मैंने बहुत सारे इस तरह की चीजें करी हैं. अब I have learned to all these things. ईयर्स मुझे लगे ये सब सीखने में, बट अब मैं कर लेता हूँ. इफ यू फेल एंड ब्रोक योर नेक, यू कुड लाई ऑन द ग्रास एंड डाई इफ यू वर ऑन योर ओन. तो बोल रहा है कि ऐसा करते समय तुम गिर भी सकते हो और मर भी सकते हो अगर तुम अकेले इसको कर रहे हो. मिस्टर लैम्ब, आई कुड, हाँ ऐसा हो सकता है. यू सेड आई कुड हेल्प यू, तुमने कहा कि मैं तुम्हें हेल्प कर सकता हूँ. मिस्टर लैम्ब, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू, येस यू कैन. डेरी, बट माई मदर will want to know where I am. लेकिन मेरी मम्मी जानना चाहेगी कि मैं कहाँ था. I am, it's 3 miles home across the fields. I am 14 but they still want to know where I am. तो बोल रही है कि वो कह रहा है कि मैं 14 years का हो चुका हूँ but still my parents remain concerned about me where I am. Mr. Lamb, people worry, लोग चिंता करते हैं. Dairy, people fuss, वो फालतू की बातें बनाते हैं. Go back and tell them, उन्हें बता दो कि तुम कहाँ थे. It's 3 miles. It's a fine evening. You've got legs. ये अच्छी evening है, तुम्हारे पास पैर हैं. You can go and tell them. So he is doing what? He is trying to tell him that besides just thinking, you should stop thinking about your burnt face. You should think about what you have. You have legs. You can run. You can go. Once I got home, they would never let me come back. तो बोल रहे हैं कि एक बार चला गया मैं घर तो मुझे वापस नहीं आने दिया जाएगा. Once you got home, you would never let yourself come back. So अगर तुम ही खुद वापस नहीं आओगे जब तुम एक बार चले जाओगे. You don't know what I could do. तुम्हें नहीं मालूम मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. So now there is a kind of positivity about him. Earlier वो बोल रहा था मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता, लोगों से डरता हूँ, ये करता हूँ. Now he is saying तुम्हें पता नहीं मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. No, only you know that. ये तुम्हें ही पता है. If I choose, if you choose, I don't know everything, boy. I can't tell you what to do. They tell me. अगर मुझसे लोग ऐसा कहते हैं कि तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते. Do you have to agree? तो तुम्हें क्या उनकी बात हमेशा सुननी है? If they are speaking like that, I don't know what I want. I want something no one else has got or ever will have. Something just mine, like this garden. I don't know what it is now. He's saying that I have no idea what I want. Perhaps I like a place like this garden. So I can't say what I like. You could find out. How? Waiting, watching, listening, sitting here or going there. I will have to see to the beast. तो बोल रहा है वेट करो, वॉच करो, लोगों से मिलो, बैठो, सुनो, तब तुम्हें मालूम पड़ेगा कि तुम क्या करना चाहते हो. Those other people who come here, do they talk to you, ask you things? तो जो लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं तुमसे बात करते हैं, तुमसे पूछते हैं क्या चीज़ों को. Some do, some don't. I ask them, I like to learn. तो वो बोल रहा है कि लोग आते हैं, मैं उनसे बातें करता हूँ, मुझे सीखना अच्छा लगता है. I don't believe in them. I don't think anybody ever comes. बोल रहे हैं मुझे नहीं लगता कि यहाँ, डायरेक्ट कह रहा है मुझे लगता नहीं यहाँ कोई आता है. You are here all by yourself. तुम यहाँ पे बिल्कुल अकेले रहते हो and miserable हो and no one would know if you were alive or dead and nobody cares. और किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि तुम जिंदा हो, मर गए हो, कोई केयर ही नहीं करता इस बारे में. You think what you please. तो उसने जो आपको समझ में आए आप सोचो. Derry, all right then, tell me some of their names. मुझे नाम बताओ उन लोगों के जो यहाँ पे आते हैं. What are names? Tom, Dick और Harry. उनका नाम में क्या रखा है? ऐसे ही कुछ भी बोल दिया. Tom, Dick and Harry मतलब anybody. Get him. I'm off down to the bees. बोल रहा है अब मैं अपनी bees के पास जा रहा हूँ. I think you are daft, you are crazy, you are stupid, you are crazy. That's a good excuse. Mr. Lamb बोल रहे हैं कि ये अच्छी excuse है वापस ना आने के लिए. You don't want to come, therefore you are calling me crazy, you are calling me daft. Derry, what for? You don't talk sense. तुम कोई sense की बात तो करते नहीं हो. Good excuse not to come back. फिर से Derry उसको एक तरह से challenge कर रहा है. He is in a way giving him a kind of challenge कि उसे वापस आना है. Good excuse not to come back and you've got a burned up face and that's other people's excuse. तो बोल रहा है कि तुम्हारा फेस जला हुआ है तो तुम यहाँ नहीं आओगे and that's other people's excuse. और तुम यही बोलते हो कि और लोग भी यही कहते हैं तुम्हारे बारे. अब डेरी को थोड़ा सा गुस्सा आ गया. You are like the others, you like to say things like that. If you don't feel sorry for my face, you are frightened of it. And if you are not frightened, you think I'm ugly as a devil. I'm a devil, don't you? तो उसको फिर से गुस्सा आ गया लैम की उस बात पर जब उन्होंने बोला कि तुम यहाँ नहीं आओगे बिकॉज यू हैव गॉट अ बर्न फेस. तो ही सेड दैट यू आर जस्ट लाइक other people who always talk about my face, who get frightened of my face, and you are also doing the same. You do not want me to come back, and that's why you are saying this. Mr. Lamb does not reply. He has gone to his bees quietly. No, you don't. I like it here. फिर वो थोड़ा थोड़ा रियलाइज कर रहा है, नहीं नहीं तुम नहीं समझते हो मुझे एक डेविल, मुझे यहाँ पे अच्छा लग रहा है. He is saying to himself. Derry gets up and shouts, I'm going but I'll come back. You see, you wait. I can run. I've not got a tin leg. I will be back. तो बोल रहा है मैं वापस आऊँगा, मेरे को tin leg तो है नहीं. I will definitely come back. Derry runs off. Silence the sounds of the garden again. Mr. Lamb अब अपने आप से बात कर रहे हैं. There my dears, that's you seem to. You know, we all know. I'll come back. They never do. Not them. Never do come back. Now Derry. Mr. Lamb needs company. He also feels that people should come, and he knows this very well that people do not come to him, and he knows that Derry will also not come to him after he goes from here, and he does not like his loneliness. He wants to be among the people, and he is not among the people because he has got a tin leg and people talk about him too. Here again the author wants to say that people with physical abilities should not be isolated. They should be treated with respect and love the way we treat people who are fit and fine. Now this is scene 2. Derry का house है. Mother और Derry के बीच में conversation चल रहा है. Mother, you think I don't know about him? You think I have not heard things? तुम्हें लगता है कि मैंने उसके बारे में नहीं सुना है? मैंने उसके बारे में सब सुना है. You shouldn't believe all you hear. Now he is talking about Derry. जो भी मिस्टर लैम्ब की तरह बात करने लग गया है कि जो लोग कहते हैं उस पर तुम्हें बिलीव नहीं करना चाहिए. Mother, been told, warned, we've not lived here 3 months, but I know what there is to know, and you are not to go back there. तो उसने बोला कि बहुत लोगों ने मुझे बताया है उस बंदे के बारे में, वॉर्न किया है. हम यहाँ 3 मंथ से रह रहे हैं, बट आई नो अबाउट एवरीवन एंड एवरीथिंग हियर, और तुम अब वापस वहाँ नहीं जाओगे. Derry, what are you afraid of? What do you think he is? An old man with a tin leg, and he lives in a huge house without curtains and has a garden, and I want to be there and sit and listen to things, listen and look. So he says that all the people here have made a negative opinion about that man, Mr. Lamb, because he lives all alone in the house. He has a tin leg and he loves to live without curtains. On the basis of this, you cannot make a conclusion about him. Again, the poet is bringing this fact that appearances are deceptive. Just on the basis of what people do, what people look like, how do they live, we should not judge them. Listen to what? Now mother is asking, क्या सुनना है आपको? Bees singing, him talking. मुझे bees के singing की आवाज़ सुननी है, उससे बात करनी है. And what's he got to say to you? और उसको तुमसे क्या बात करनी है? Things that matter, things that are important for me, things nobody else has ever said. So he spoke about things which were different from what people have been telling me since so many days, or since I got this acid burn on my face. Mother, then you stay here and do your thinking. You are best off here. तो mother ने बोला, no, you will not go there. You will stay here only. I hate it here. You can't help the things you say. I forgive you. It's bound to make you feel bad things and say them. I don't blame you. और mother भी है. Mother के एटीट्यूड को देख के लग रहा है कि शी डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड हर चाइल्ड. अर्लियर वी read that she would kiss her son on the cheek that was not burnt, that was plain, that was clean, and now she is not understanding this thing, that this person must have made a change in her son. He is talking differently, but she is saying that you are in the habit of thinking negative about yourself and I can't help it. मैं इसमें कुछ भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ and I feel bad for you that you are like that you got a burnt face. That means her mother also, his mother also reminds him of his ugly face or gives reference to it, doesn't do anything to transform him into a positive person. It's got nothing to do with my face and what I look like. I don't care about that and it is not important. Now for the first time we can see Derry speaking assertively about himself, confidently about himself. He is saying that मेरे फेस से उनको कोई मतलब नहीं है, आई डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, और मुझे भी अब इस बारे में कोई चिंता नहीं है एंड ये फेस के बारे में सोचना इम्पॉर्टेंट भी नहीं है. इट इज़ वॉट आई थिंक एंड फील एंड वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू सी एंड फाइंड आउट एंड हियर. सो वॉट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी? वॉट आई थिंक, वॉट आई फील, वॉट आई वॉन्ट टू सी. मुझे क्या देखना है, क्या फील करना है, क्या सोचना है, क्या ढूंढना है और क्या सुनना है. दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. And I'm going back there only to help him with the crab apples. Now he liked the company of Mr. Lamb so much that he wants to go back to that place. That means Mr. Lamb was successful in infusing a positive attitude about people, about life in this little boy Derry. Only to look at things and listen what I'm going. You will stop here. Mother is saying that you will not go. Oh no, because if I don't go back there, I will never go anywhere in this world again. So he has understood, he has learnt his lesson that he has to explore the world. He just does not have to think about his face all the time. He just do not have to think about this stigma that the face has imposed on him. He has to think beyond this. He has to think about the world. The door slams. Derry runs panting and I want the world, I want it, I want it. The sound of his painting fades. Now he is filled with positive outlook. He wants to see the world and that's why he's saying I want the world. And this transformation could come only because of Mr. Lamb's positive attitude, the positive conversation that he had with Derek. That Derek became, or Derry became, a transformed person. Now the scene is again set in Mr. Lamb's garden. Mr. Lamb, steady, that's got it, that's it. More apples fall and again that's it. वो बोल रहे हैं यस यस, सावधानी से काम करना है. ओहो, एक एप्पल गिर गया. इस तरह से बात कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, जैसे अगर वो तोड़ रहे हैं एप्पल. देन ऑल ऑफ सडन अ क्रीक. क्रीक लकड़ी के हिलने की सी आवाज़ को क्रीक. अ क्रैश, और एक क्रैश की आवाज़ आती है. द लेडर फॉल्स बैक. मिस्टर लैम्ब विद इट, और मिस्टर लैम्ब भी उसके साथ गिर जाते हैं. अ थंप, गिरने की आवाज़ आती है. द ब्रांचेस स्विशेस बैक, क्रीक्स, देन साइलेंस. डेरी ओपन्स द गार्डन गेट, still panting. You see, I came back. You said I wouldn't and they said, but I came back. लेकिन मैं वापस आ गया. I wanted to come back. He stops, dead silence. Now Mr. Lamb is dead now because he fell on the ground. He is dead. Mr. Lamb, he runs through the grass, stops, kneels. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. You fell, I'm here. Mr. Lamb, it's all right. I came back, Lammy Lamb, I did, I came back. And Derry begins to weep. Now he has become very emotional. For the first time, he felt connected with a person who transformed him, who brought a positive change in him, who changed him completely. Now that that person is dead and he is weeping for him, and perhaps for the first time we are seeing Derek being emotional. So this is the end of the story, and this story, definitely you must have liked this story. It is an emotional one. Mr. Lamb did his work. He transformed this boy Derry and left for another world. I hope you like the story, and if it is, then please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.